Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can change your Steam account on Faceit. So let's start. If you would go to the right top corner to your account and to integrations, you're not able to remove the Steam account. What you need to do is this. First, I'm going to write in Notepad. First, you need to close this account and they are going to delete everything. And then you can create a new account. Where are you going to link the Steam account? So you get it, right? So first we have to close this account that we already have, and then we need to create a new account where you link the Steam account. So you just go here to Faceit support, click here Faceit support, then you click here on recover your account or account. Then no longer have access to my email account. Just follow my steps. Right here, you just want to click submit the request, your email address, edit there, contact reason, GDPR. Then choose personal data remover, Faceit profile, account name, game, CSGO or other, it doesn't matter. Game ID, you just add here like your Steam, subject, deletion. And then what you need to do is this. You need to write in description this. First name on your account, last name on your account, date of birth on your account, Faceit account name, phone number attached to account if two-factor authentication is active, and photo identification. And just click add file here. And this is how you can delete it. Now they will delete your account in few days. They will give you email, and then you can create a new account and connect the Steam with it. And you can see it right here in their support. Once the request is received, the team will change the status of the account and your user profile will not be found anymore on the platform. This opens a quarantine period, and this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. So again, you need to close your account, recover your account, no longer have access, submit a request, and you just add it here. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.